Today on Nerdalific, we are going to look at how to add a worksheet, how to delete a worksheet, rename a worksheet, move a worksheet, and how to change its color. When you start a new workbook in Excel, it's only going to give you one sheet, but you can use multiple worksheets in the same workbook. To add a new worksheet, go down to the bottom of your screen beside the Sheet 1. There's a little plus symbol here that says New Sheet. Click on that and it will automatically add another worksheet. Now, as you add worksheets, you will see that it will add an additional number to the name of the worksheet. To delete a worksheet, hover over the sheet name, right-click, and select Delete. The sheet name that is highlighted is the worksheet that you are physically on. To rename a worksheet, right-click on the name and select Rename. Type on your keyboard and hit Enter, or you can just click anywhere else and it will automatically complete the renaming process. In addition to that, you can also change the color of each sheet. Right-click, select Tab Color, and pick your color. Now if you click on any other sheet, you'll be able to see that sheet color. This will come in handy if you want to categorize certain worksheets. You can also change the order in which these sheets appear. Simply click on the sheet, drag it, and drop it. You will see the location of where the sheet will end up being by looking at that little black arrow that's showing above the sheet names. This will not affect the data that is in each worksheet. Another neat little trick is how to update the same cell in multiple worksheets. This is done by grouping the worksheets together. To do this, select a worksheet, then click and hold on the Control button on your keyboard and left-click on another worksheet. Now you can see both of these worksheets are now highlighted. This means that these two worksheets are currently in the same group. Now this is a temporary group. They will not stay grouped forever. Start typing in the cell that you would like the data to appear. To ungroup these worksheets and check your data, you can click on any other sheet. And as you can see, those two worksheets are no longer grouped. If we click on Sheet 2, you can see that A1 says December. If you click on Sheet 3, it has the same data in cell A1. Thanks for joining Nerdalific today, and we'll see you soon.